Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your gateway to luxury living at this penthouse for sale in Vista Cana. Explore our penthouse starting at $180,000, offering 1,121.59 square feet of exquisite living space, including one bedroom, one bathroom, and a designated parking spot. Enjoy amenities like a gym, adults and kids swimming pools, a dog park, and access to all Vista Cana facilities. Nestled in the esteemed Vista Cana gated community, this penthouse boasts a prime location near an artificial beach, golf course, restaurants, and more. Step into luxury with spacious interiors, a rooftop terrace, and modern conveniences like air conditioning and a laundry area. Benefit from the community's recreational zones, pool bar, mini golf course, and jogging track, ensuring a vibrant lifestyle. With Punta Cana International Airport just 10 minutes away, explore nearby attractions like Imagine Cave Nightclub and Blue Mall Punta Cana. Seize this opportunity for luxury living. Reserve with $2,000 and enjoy our payment plan. 10% after signing, 40% during construction, and 50% upon property delivery. Experience luxury living at its finest. Contact us today.